What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is big and now it's a part of our life. But there is a lot of confusion regarding digital marketing. I will try to clarify each and every one of these and will also help you understand meaning and importance of digital marketing, role of digital marketing in the consumer buying decision process, and various components of digital marketing. So please watch till the end to know the complete answer. Welcome to Marketing by Vijay. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Your comments are most welcome. For training, consultancy and online courses, please write to me on marketingbyvijay@gmail.com. Welcome to the world of digital marketing. Let me ask you a question. How many logos on the screen you can identify? Most of them? Awesome. All? You are simply great. Digital marketing is all about Google, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, and so on. And you are already familiar with most of these and using the same almost every day. You are Googling all the time. You are searching for information. You are searching for a product or a service on Google, or you are watching a video on YouTube, or you are socializing, sharing, and connecting with your friends and family on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, or you will be tweeting something, or you will be active on professional network through LinkedIn, or you may be sending and receiving messages and connecting on different WhatsApp groups. It means you are already a part of digital world, and now we will try to understand what is digital marketing. According to Wikipedia, digital marketing is marketing of products or services using digital technologies, mainly on the internet, but also including mobile phones, display advertising, and any other digital medium. It means digital marketing helps us market our products or services through digital medium. You may be connected through desktop or a laptop or a tablet or a mobile phone. It helps us connect with the consumers, and that's why we are interested in digital marketing. So digital marketing helps you market your products or services through digital technologies, but it is not only about the technology, it is about your customers. For a marketer, digital marketing helps connect with the customers through searches, through ads, and through social media. Means you are connected through Google, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, and so on. Now the customers are also changing in the digital era as they are connected on the internet, and these numbers are huge. Now out of 7.6 billion people in the world, there are 4.3 billion people who are connected on the internet. The penetration level of internet across the world is 57%. Then there are more than 5 billion mobile phones whose penetration level is a mind-blowing figure of 67%. In developed countries, almost everybody is connected, while in developing countries, internet penetration is going very, very fast. In India, 41% of the population has access to internet, while 87% population is connected on mobile. Now, what do these numbers mean for a marketer? These numbers mean a lot of opportunities for the marketer, where a digital marketer can connect with the consumers. Let us see how does this happen. Generally, a consumer passes through 5 steps in consumer buying decision process. That is, need or problem recognition, information search, evaluation of alternatives, purchase decision, and post-purchase behavior. Now in the whole process of buying, digital is in. Now customers start the information search by searching online or by Googling. He also reviews and compares the product or service while going through the step of evaluation of alternatives. He may also get influenced on social media, plus he may also get influenced by digital display ads on any website or on mobile device. All these in turn influence the customers, and that's why marketers are interested into digital marketing. Earlier, a customer was influenced through print and television ad. Now also these platforms exist. But now there are digital platforms also where customers are connected, and these digital platforms are influencing the consumer decision buying process. That's why digital marketing becomes very important for a marketer. Now let us talk about the various components of digital marketing. Digital marketing consists of 9 different components. The first is the website. Website is the hub of digital marketing. Then comes search engine optimization. To improve the rankings in search results, you need to optimize your website for the search engine. The third one is search engine marketing, that is also known as SEM, or pay per click search advertising, or PPC. SEM or PPC is all about placing your ads in search engine result pages. Digital display advertising is all about advertising online on desktops, laptops, mobile, tablets, gaming devices, and so on. Then comes social media marketing, that is SMM. This is big. It consists of marketing your products or services through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and so on. Email marketing is all about marketing through emails, and we are not talking about spamming the email boxes. Here we talk about email automation like MailChimp, Drip, Aweber, ConvertKit, etc. Mobile marketing, it is all about marketing on your mobile phones. Google Analytics and Web Analytics helps you analyze your efforts and helps you optimize it. And then comes the last, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can help you get more customers for your business. Plus, you can become an affiliate marketer and earn loads of money. So, welcome to the world of digital marketing. In the subsequent videos, I will try to discuss the various components of digital marketing in detail. So that's all now. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you are looking for other topics in marketing, please check out other videos on marketing. See you soon. Take care. Thanks for watching.